Welcome to the today's online class. Today we are going to learn about your chapter number 7, which is simple patterns in mathematics. In the last class I already explained about some method of finding the GCD, what is some patterns. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the Euclidean method to find the GCD. GCD, it is of greatest common divisor. GCD is also called greatest common divisor. Greatest common divisor, or also we can, or it is highest common factor. HCF we called it. HCF we called it. Okay, so one is greatest common divisor or highest common factor, GCD is. So first of all, Euclidean method. In the Euclidean method we have two process. One is Euclidean subtraction method. First is subtraction method. Euclidean subtraction method. So in the Euclidean subtraction method, what happened? So by taking some example, I am just taking a example of your like 48 and 36. Okay, 48 and 36. Just I am writing a question here. Find the GCD of 48 and 36. Okay, so when you are going to find the GCD of 36 or 48 or HCF or 48 and 36, what you have to do in the Euclidean method, in the Euclidean subtraction method? Look, the first you have to just the greatest and the smallest number. Okay, biggest and smallest. So you have to first subtract the smallest from the biggest number, that is 48 minus 36, and just write it, the subtracted value, it is 12. Again within that we have to just the last smallest value and the last two smallest value. Okay, that is accordingly 12 and 36. And after that we have to select 36 and 12. Again we have to subtract the smallest from the greatest from between the two numbers, that is 36 and 12. Okay, so you have to subtract 12 from the 36 and get the subtracted value here. When subtracting from the 36 minus 12, we find 6 minus 4, 2, it is 4, and 3 minus 1 is 224. Again between the last two small number, that is 12 and 24, last two small, 36 is greater than 24 then 12, so last two is 24 and 12, last two is 24 and 12. So within that we can again we have to subtract it from the greatest to the smallest, means 24 minus 12 means बड़ा से छोटा. Okay, so 24 minus 12 is equal to 12, and repeated subtraction between these two, that is 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, so In the last, when which number is subtracted, or which from which number, or which number subtracted to get 0, that number is your GCD. That number is your GCD. Once you have 0 as the value, as the answer, the number that is subtracted from itself, okay, is our greatest common divisor. Okay, so here we can write it GCD of 48 and 36 is equal to what? It is 12. The number subtracted from itself, the number subtracted from itself, okay, is or getting 0. Okay, so GCD of 48 and 36 is 12. Okay, so this is your Euclidean subtraction method. One more example is here, 20 and 28. We have to find out the GCD or HCF. So first of all, we have to subtract the smaller number from the greatest number, means from 28 to 20. So 28 minus 20, it is 8. Okay, again within the last two smallest number 8 and 28, again subtraction is going, repeated subtraction. 28 minus 8 each gives 12. Again 12 and 8, 12 minus 8 gives 4. 8 minus 4, 8 minus 4 gives 4, and at last 4 and 4, 4 minus 4 gives 0. 4 minus 4 gives 0. So at last which one is gives 0? That is 4. So GCD of 20 and 28 is 4. 20 and 28 is 4. Okay. Another process is Euclidean division method. Okay, here also we can find the GCD of two numbers by using this method, division process. So what is Euclidean division method? Just taking an example. Okay, I am taking an example that is finding the GCD of, find the GCD of 20. At first we are make the 48 and 36. 48 and 36. Okay, so before starting what we were doing, so just like division it is here, what is there, so we have to divide the greatest number from the with smallest number. Okay, greatest number is divided by smallest number. We are going to divide 48 by 36. Look at this. Okay, we just divide the greatest number with the smallest number, between the two numbers. So here first of all we have to divide 36. How? 1 ja 36 and the remainder is 12. Remainder is 12. Again with the remainder we have to divide the divisor. We have to divide the divisor. It is 36. Just give a line, write the 36 here and make another division. 12 3 ja 36. 12 3 ja 36. Okay, so it is 0. 12 3 ja 36 and the last remainder is 0. So we cannot divide 12 with 0. So this is the last, and the last divisor, that is 12. The last divisor, that is 12, is your GCD of the two number. Okay, when you got the number 0, the previous divisor you have to find out, and that is your GCD of the two number. So here we can write GCD of 48 and 36 is equal to 12. Okay, so very simple process is there. Just repeated division with the remainder and the divisor. Okay, one more example. Okay, it is 300 and 200 to 252. So first divide the greatest number with the smallest number, means 300 divided by 252. 300 divided by 252. So when we are going to divide 300 with 252, 252 ones are 252, because 252 twos are 8 is greater than 300, so we cannot take twos are. Okay, so after when this we can subtract it by subtracting 10 to 8 to 8, 10 to 8 to 8. Here it is 9, 9 to 5 4. 48 is the remainder I find. Okay, again have to divide 252 from with the 48. So put line here and write the number 252 here and make divide with the 42 8 only again. So when we are dividing with 48, just multiply 48 with some numbers. How many times it is going. So 48 5 ja, 48 5 ja it is 240, 6 ja it is greater from the 252, so we can take 48 5 ja, and after taking this we can minus it, subtract it. Subtracting it will give 2 5 2 4 1, it is 12. Again we have to subtract 48 from the 12. Okay, so I can write here the 48 and make divide with 12 4 ja 48, and it will give the 0 as the remainder. It will give the 0 as the remainder. So the last divisor is 12. Last divisor is 12, and it is the GCD of 300 and 252. It is the GCD of 300 and 252. Okay, so go through this method, very simple method, and practice it. Okay, thank you.